Hello guys and welcome to today's video. On today's video I'm going to show you a strategy that I personally use a lot. Basically what I do is to always look for the main trend on the 4-hour chart, and then I look for a pullback on the 15 minutes so I can enter to follow the main trend of the 4-hour chart. And the best thing is that I have automated this strategy so you can have these push notifications, which means that you are going to receive on your phone. It doesn't matter if it's iPhone or Android, but you're going to receive an alert from your MetaTrader, from your computer, from your server, wherever you are running your main MetaTrader. You are going to receive an alert telling you that it is a good moment to buy or to sell according to this strategy. So first thing is to install this indicator. What we're going to do is, well, first you have to download the indicator. It is in the description and it is totally free. And as you know guys, I'm giving everything for free. On previous videos I also give for free my expert advisor, so you can go and check my other videos. But yeah, this one is also free, so just go to the description. There is the link to download the indicator. So as you can see, maybe there are some arrows. For example, here you don't see like very well. Maybe I need to tweak some things, but it doesn't matter. The thing is not the arrow that is perfect aligned to the candle. I can align it a little bit better, but the thing is that the notification that you're going to receive on your phone. So as you can see here, for example, it told the indicator told us to sell, and also here to sell, also here to sell. Maybe this one is not the best, but it depends depending on where you set your stop loss, it will be a really good entry. So once we have downloaded our indicator, we will get this file. This is the RSI cross 5-minute trend 4 hours. As I said, we're looking for a pullback on the 15 minutes, but according to the main trend on the 4 hours. So what we do is to copy this file, and then we have to go to our MetaTrader 5. In this case, it only works for MetaTrader 5. I can also code it for MetaTrader 4, but and nowadays everybody's using MetaTrader 5, and I think it is better. Some people prefer MetaTrader 4, but for me it doesn't make any sense. Once you know a little bit of coding and bots, MetaTrader 5 is the way to go. So in case you don't have MetaTrader 5, I will recommend you the broker I personally use, is down in the description. You have the link, and there you can download your MetaTrader 5 and also open your demo account or live account. So once you have your MetaTrader 5 open, go here to File, open Data Folder. Now go to MQL5. Now go to Indicators. We enter in the Indicators folder, and here we paste. We go here and we paste. It will tell us to replace it because I already have installed this indicator. Okay, but we go and we replace it. And now once we have it, we can restart our MetaTrader. Okay, so I will go ahead and restore my MetaTrader 5 so he can read it for the first time. As I said, I have already installed this indicator before. It doesn't make any sense to install it again, but I want to show you how to install it. So now we have to go to the navigator window. If you don't have it, maybe it's like this. Go to View and click on Navigator. And now once you have it, go to Indicators. Maybe this one is like this. So go to the plus button. And here you should have something like RSI close. Well, the indicator itself. You can also install it from here, from Tools. No, Tools, no, it wasn't Tools. Insert, Indicators, Custom, and the last one should be our indicator. Okay, here. So we click on it. Here is one click. And if you want to do it from here, is double click. So we click on it. Here you have the inputs. This is pretty much just the time of the day, like from which hours you want to make it to be sending signals to your phone. This is from the open of the European session to pretty much the close of the New Year session. Not all the hours, but at least the hours that have more volume. So now push notifications is on true, but I will now show you how to make the MetaTrader to send these push notifications to your terminal. We leave everything on true. Here, this is on true, and we click on OK. Just to make sure that the indicator is installed on this chart, in this case EURUSD, we right click on the chart, and here we go to indicators list, and as you can see, the indicator is installed on this EURUSD 15-minute chart. Okay, we close it. Now to make sure that we receive these signals to our phone, we go to tools, we click on options, and now we go to notifications. We just have to enable push notifications. We enable it. We don't have to click on these buttons. You leave it like this, and here where you see your MetaQuotes ID, you can find this one on your MetaTrader 5 app of your phone. Once you have it, go here and test if you receive these notifications. Okay, so that means it is working, and every time this indicator is telling that we should buy or sell, that there is a signal, an entry signal, we are going to receive this alert on our phone. So now we can close this. Okay, we can go to, we can click here on OK, and everything is working. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. This indicator really works very well. This is a strategy that I've been using for a lot, and it doesn't win every time, but our win ratio is really high. And also the good thing is that our stop loss can be very small compared to our take profit. Like for example, here our take profit can easily be double than our stop loss. For example, if we set here our stop loss can be like 7 pips or 10 pips, we can reach almost 20 pips, 15 pips of take profit. And you can also try to doing one-to-one, like it will be having a stop loss and a take profit, the same length, same. For example, here we go for 10 pips stop loss. If we lose 10 pips, and if we win, we win also 10 pips. So I hope you like this video. As I said, it is not a perfect indicator, but it works pretty well. Like for example, here the entry is really good on the 15 minutes, but also on the 4 hours, as you can see, the trend is really down. So the indicator is going to do everything but itself, and once there is a good entry, it will tell you, it will let you know on your phone, and once you receive the notification, it is up to you if you want to enter or not, where to set your stop loss and your take profit. You can also set the indicator to any kind of pair. You can trade, you can put it to work on currencies or commodities or even crypto. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys, like all these views that we are getting like from all over the world and all these messages. So yeah, make sure you I'm not asking for anything on these videos. As I said, everything is free. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.